Welcome to Feature Friday, where we explore the cool functions of our Roof Wizard software. Occasionally when you do a metal roof, especially for many commercial applications, but occasionally in residential where you have a polycarbonate skylight or roof light in the roof, and it's not necessarily in a convenient spot, but you need to include it in your quotation. So how do we account for that? So here we have a metal roof with corrugated all over it, and I need to add some polycarbonate roof lights. The way we manage that is to actually split the roof up where we need to, and you'll usually put a roof light between battens or purlins, and you'll see I've got my purlins on the job already. So we come over here and we select the option Modify Roof Split Panels. We set the lap at the top and the lap at the bottom of the panel, and we can select each panel individually. We can actually tell it to apply to all roof planes or individual roof planes. But in this particular job, I just want to change a couple of the panels to polycarbonate. There's a whole bunch of other options here, and we can cover those off on another Feature Friday, but let's keep it simple. I'm going to split the panels at a line, and I'm going to use my batten line as the split line. So select the line to split and select the line to split it at, which will be that one. So the prompts tell you what to do. Pay attention to the prompts. And now locate the panels to split. So I'm going to split that one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That one. 1, 2, 3, 4. That one. And otherwise, it's got to look symmetrical, doesn't it? There we go. So, I jumped one too many. Anyway, so I'm going to split those panels at that batten line. They're all split. But now I need to split it at the top, so I'm going to select the next line to split it at, and select the same panels, and you'll see that it's all been split correctly. It's beautiful. And split those ones. So now the panels have been split. Now I need to change the material that's in there. So it's currently got corrugated on it, but I want to change that to polycarbonate. So I'm going to put a 762 fiberglass roof light in, and we hit OK, and we go that one, that one, that one, that one, that one, and yes, and that's it. Now when I tally panels, I get a cutting list for my roof lights, and you can see them there, 5 of those, and I've got a cutting list for my corrie, all of those, or I can get a cut list for the whole job. Well, that's it for that. Now, there's a lot to explore with that. I encourage you to open up the software and on a test job, explore the options. But it's pretty straightforward. Read the instructions and keep your eye on the prompt area. It tells you what to do. Well, that's it for Feature Friday for this week. Have a great weekend, and we will speak to you again real soon. Bye for now.